Welcome to another brilliant day. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of screen recording, featuring the awesome screen recorder, a versatile tool that could be a game changer for your presentations, YouTube videos, or any screen capture needs. What's the awesome screen recorder, you ask? It's a handy Chrome extension that allows you to record your screen, audio, and even your camera, all for free. It's capable of recording videos that last up to an hour. To use it, you simply need to download the extension from the Chrome Web Store, sign in, select your recording area, and hit record. When you're done, just hit stop and your recording will be saved to your computer. What sets awesome screen recorder apart? It's free, record screen, audio, and camera, can record videos for up to an hour, and above all, it's easy to use. That's all for today. If you found this insightful, remember to drop a comment below with any questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Next time, we could compare awesome screen recorder with other screen recorders or share tips for creating great screen recordings. Until then, keep exploring.